subscribe. Thank you. This is Craft Challenge, Week 4, Making a Dragon. Summer Reading Program, 2020. Wonder Public Library.
You got the package from Becky teacher gave you this, and let's check what's in there. Yeah, we watched the video how to make it. Let's see. First, we need a scissors. Can you cut half? Yes, yes. This part gonna be dragon's body, and now let's try to make wings. Cut half again. Yeah, you see the line? Yes. Here we're gonna cut half. Good job. And those parts, dragon wings. This part gonna be a tail too, and face. Good job. That part is gonna be tail, and this part gonna be a face. Okay, let's draw face. Next, we're gonna color. What's your favorite color, Jaden?
Blue and green and orange and no other colors.
How about you, Gemma?
I like rainbow.
Rainbow. Yep.
Good.
Good job. How about the wings? What color you wanna be? Blue.
Yellow and blue turn green.
You're right. Wow, beautiful, guys. You guys are decorated so pretty way. Let's see, now we're gonna put breast. I put the knives and then just a little bit holes, and then Jaden's I already pre-put in. Good job. And then last one, head part. Wow. Whoa. That's really cool.
Hi, we can fly.
What did you make?
A dragon.
Wow. Wow, Gemma, is that a fire?
Yeah.
How did you make a fire? With what?
Feathers.
Ooh, looks like a real fire's out.
What's your name, Dragon? DT. What's your name? TM. Okay. Actually, GK. Hi, JT. JTAC. Let's go fly. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Gemma, Jaden, EduPlay. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.